How to zip files on iPhone. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually zip a file from, for example, your Photos app, like a video or a photo, but also how to do this with your files you have over here. So first of all, if you go to your, for example, Photos app, and let's say I want to zip this file over here, like this photo, all I basically want to do is click on share. Then you want to scroll all the way down and here save it to files. Then save it wherever you would like to. So I'm going to save it in this folder. Then hit save. Then I will go over here and we now have this photo over here. As you can see, this is the one. And when I want to zip this as a file or compress this as a zip file, what I basically want to do is it can be done with any file in your Files app. Long hold this and then simply click on compress. Once you click on there, we can now see over here it says that this zip file over here in the middle is this photo, as you can basically see. Now you can also change this to a RAR file if you would like to. All you basically want to do is rename this, and then instead of the .zip, change it to .rar, and then it says change file extension from .zip to .rar, and there you go. Now change to a RAR, but iPhone or iOS doesn't really recognize RAR file, so you can't really do anything with this on iPhone. But I'll just change this back to .zip real quick, and there you go. Now that is basically all there is to it. That's how you can zip files on iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.